Hello, tomorrow. So I have B day in class and I have A day on the computer. So I'm going to do both, teach to the computer and teach in class, because this is a very short, easy assignment for me to explain, not so much for you to do. So what we're going to do is we are going to practice what's called on-demand writing. On-demand writing means you get the assignment, you sit down, you write the essay, you turn it in one time, in one sitting. Don't freak out. It's not as bad as it sounds. You've done this 100 times because I beat you to death with Racer, so now is the time that's going to help you out a lot. In the assignment, it says a multi-paragraph essay, which means how many paragraphs? 3. If you want to challenge yourself and feel exceptional at it, 5. Okay, so let's turn to the page, turning the page from the checkmarked page on the back, which is page 15 on the rubric, and I am going to project for you guys up here, page 15. So give me just a second, okay? So you are now going to go back to your notes and sources, plan, draft, revise, edit your writing. You may use your notes and refer to your sources, and this is what you are writing about, okay? Your school writing club is creating an online magazine that is a collection of fictional stories about the great outdoors. You choose to write a story that is several paragraphs long to include in the online magazine. For your story, imagine that you're hiking in the Grand Canyon National Park. In your story, tell about an exciting adventure that you've had during your hike. The online magazine will be read by parents, teachers, and other students in your school. When writing your story, find ways to use information and details from the sources to improve your essay. Make sure you develop characters, setting, plot, use details, dialogue, and descriptive words when appropriate. I'm being loud for the video. So let's talk about what we're actually expected to do. What are they asking you to do, guys? They won't hear you on here, so what are they asking you to do?
They're asking us to write an essay with plot. So they basically want us to write a whole story.
They want you to write a story. So you're expected to write the beautiful thing is it's fictional, okay? Which means you can literally write anything. You can take your story and go hatchet with it. You could take your story and go fantastic with and write a fantasy that has like goblins or whatever, as long as it holds true. There are 3 things that they expect it to do, okay? They expect it to have all the elements of a short story. They expect you to use information from each of the sources. And they expect it to be several paragraphs, which is 3 for 6th grade. Okay? Those are the expectations. A fictional story, 3 paragraphs, use information from the sources. That's the biggest expectation, okay? So what you're going to do is decide what kind of story you want, and then go through the sources and skim. Don't read the sources. Just look for nuggets of information that you can use. So for example, and I'm going to teach to this, but you guys can see me. If you are writing a story that is, say, hatchet, okay, you're going to get lost at the Grand Canyon, because the setting is already given to you. It's the Grand Canyon. I would totally use that information that the Colorado River runs downhill to help me get found, right? So in your story, if you're lost, you can say, I found the river, I saw which way it was flowing, I knew that way was downhill and I have to get out of the canyon, so I went the opposite of the water. That's one detail. Check that box. That source is done. Try to find, for a challenge, 1 detail from each of your sources to include in your essay. The essay has to be 3 paragraphs long. Now let's talk about me and how I'm grading this essay, okay? This essay's purpose is to give me an idea of where we need to go for our SBAC prep next week, okay? You're required to have 3 paragraphs in order to get an A. That's it. To get an A on this assignment, I want a 3-paragraph essay. I want you to do the best job you can, because if you write like a garbage essay and you just put a whole bunch of words down and call that 1 paragraph and then hit the space bar and the enter bar and then put a whole bunch more words down and hit the enter and space bar and put a whole bunch more words down, then that's going to tell me we have a whole lot of writing that needs to be done in the next 2 weeks. Okay? So please show me what you know so I know what to teach next week. Your goal is to finish today. So you have the rest of this period and all of 4th period. Are there any clarifying questions for this before I hit pause? Damien? What? Elias?
Is it okay if I do the first one to do for a very well done with the lady?
Sure. It's a fictional story. Questions? The other thing that you cannot do is copy and paste. So you cannot get lost in the woods and find a berry bush, and as you're eating berries off the berry bush, have a bear there. And you scream and you run as fast as you can and the bear didn't move. And you went back to your cave by the lake and fell asleep until a skunk woke you up and sprayed you in the face. Please don't copy Hatchet. Don't do any of the events from Hatchet. You guys can do this. It's not as bad as it sounds. Questions? And the way that I told you, this is Emiliano. Shut your computer, please. This is the easiest, hardest quarter. Because getting an A on this is going to be very easy. 3 paragraphs, you're done, you have an A. Even if they're not great, right? 3 paragraphs in a day, Miss Brown, that is not easy. Get it? The easiest, hardest quarter. Okay, if you have no other questions, I did a good job explaining it to them. I hope you understand this. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you guys on Friday by waving in the hallway, but in my classroom on Monday, okay? And you are to work on this, all of this period, which is 1st period, and then you are going to finish it in 4th period before you play the game. If you have time after you're done, then you can play the card game that is right. Oh, that wasn't a good choice. Here. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.